Hey, in this video editing tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy method to zoom in on your footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. Here I have a video clip of a waterfall on my timeline where I would like to add a zoom effect into the waterfall. To begin, if you select your clip on the timeline, go up over to the Effects Control tab and move the playhead to where you're wanting to start your zoom. After this, click on the stopwatch looking icons beside scale and position. Move the playhead to where you're wanting to stop your zoom motion, and then increase the scale on how much you're wanting the zoom to end on, and then adjust the position to where you would like your frame size to end on. It should automatically add keyframes when you adjust any settings throughout, but if it doesn't, you can click these circles here to add keyframes and customize your zoom effect. With these keyframes, you can shorten or extend the length of the effect depending on your clip. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.